Hello teachers trainee. Today we will discuss about theory of learning, that is behaviorism theory. What is behaviorism? This theory implies that the learner responds to environmental stimuli without his or her mental state being a factor in the learner's behavior. Individuals learn to behave through conditioning. There are the two types of conditioning: operant conditioning and classical conditioning. About father of behaviorism, the term behaviorism refers to the school of psychology founded by John B. Watson, based on the belief that behavior can be measured, trained, and changed. Behaviorism was established with the publication of Watson's classic paper Psychology as the behaviorist view. Another behaviorism, Ivan Pavlov, won a Nobel Prize 2 years earlier for his study of digestion. Discover a basic form of learning called classical conditioning, also referred to as Ivan Pavlov, or we can say Pavlovian. B.F. Skinner was an American psychologist and behaviorist best known for his innovative research into the experimental analysis of behavior. He also a he was also a prolific author, writing 21 books and 180 articles during his lifetime. Hall's drive reduction theory served as a general theory of learning that helped inspire further work by other researchers. For example, Miller and the Dollard applied Hall's basic theory more broadly to include social learning and imitation. However, they suggested that motivating stimuli did not necessarily need to be tied to the survival needs of an organism. Clark Hall also influenced a number of other psychologists. He became one of the most frequently cited psychologists during the 1940s and 1950s, prior to the cognitive revolution of the 1960s. His theories were a dominant influence in American psychology. He also advised a number of graduate students who went on to make significant contributions to psychology, including Neil Miller, O. H. Moritz, Cole and Hovland, and Kenneth Spence. While the specifics of his theories have fallen out of favor in psychology, he emphasized on experimental method set a high standard for future research. Trainees, if you find any disturbance in the noise, just because I'm living in that type of the area, so please don't mind. You just focus on the content. Please don't bother with the another noise. What is behaviorism? Theory of learning based upon the idea that all behaviors are acquired through conditioning. Conditioning occurs through interaction with the environment. Behaviorists believe that our response to environmental stimuli shapes our behaviors. According to this school of thought, behavior can be studied in a systematic and observable manner with no consideration of internal mental states. It suggests that only observable behaviors should be studied since internal states such as cognition, emotional and needs of to the subjective. There are two major types of conditioning. First one is classical conditioning, a technique used in behavioral training in which a naturally occurring stimuli is paired with a response. Second, a previously neutral stimuli is paired with the naturally occurring stimulus. The previously neutral stimuli comes to evoke the response without the presence of naturally occurring stimulus. The two elements are then known as the conditioned stimuli and the conditioned response. Then the second conditioning is operant conditioning is a method of learning that occurs through rewards and punishment of for behavior. Through operant conditioning, an association is made between a behavior and consequence for that behavior. Thank you for listening.